Hi everybody, and welcome to my lesson on how to start improvising on the guitar. Even though it's not strictly necessary, you will need to know some chord names and some chord progressions. Nevertheless, this is a beginner's lesson. So let's get to it. Today, we're going to learn the pentatonic minor scale. But first of all, what is improvising? According to Google, improvising is creating spontaneously or without preparation. Ergo, in a music matter, improvising is creating melodies or rhythms spontaneously or without preparation. But this does not mean that there are no rules, or rather than rules, tools to do a proper improvisation. Now, what is a scale? The simpler way to define it is a group of notes that they all sound good within the same chord. And pentatonic means that it is composed by only 5 notes. So the pentatonic minor scale is a group of 5 notes that they all sound good within the same minor chord. The advantages of the pentatonic minor scale is that since you're not using all the notes of this scale, it can match several scales at the same time. So you will be able, for example, to use the same scale for a whole chord progression if they are all on the same harmony. You may be now thinking that this is the ultimate solution, but since you are not using all of the notes of the scale, like I said before, you will be losing a part of the musical beauty. In other words, you will sound amateur, but this is more than enough for a beginning. Okay, so let's take A minor, which is a chord that I believe you already know. For this chord, A is the keynote, and A is at the 5th fret of the 6th string. So you will go there, and then you will go up 1.5 step to the 8th fret. Then you will go down to the 5th string and start on the same fret as in the keynote. For this case, the 5th fret. Then, instead of going up 1.5 step, you will go up only 1 step to the 7th fret. Then you will go down to the 4th string and do the same as in the 5th string. So it will be the 5th fret and then 1 step up to the 7th fret. Then you will go down to the 3rd string and do the same shape. So the 5th fret again, and then 1 step up to the 7th fret. Now for the 2 remaining strings, you will do the same shape as in the 6th string. So it will be the 5th fret, and then 1.5 step up to the 8th fret. For the 1st string, the same shape. So it's the 5th fret, and then 1.5 step up to the 8th fret. And that's it! You have to use your index finger for everything that is on the 5th fret, your ring finger for everything that is on the 7th fret, and your pinky finger for everything that is on the 8th fret. And it will look like this. And that's it. You can start messing up with those notes. Now, if you want to improvise to any other key, you just have to start on that key note on the 6th string. For example, I used A minor, but if you want to improvise on B minor, you just have to go to the 7th fret and do the same shape. Let's say G minor now. So you will go to the 3rd fret. Voila! Now you know the pentatonic minor scale, so I suggest you to start looking for backing tracks on YouTube. You only have to write backing track and the name of the chord you want to improvise to. For example, backing track in E minor. If you want to know more about the music theory behind it, you can find it on the document I put down in the description. And also, a way to start recording yourself, so you no longer have to use backing tracks and you can start creating your own songs. That's it for the day. So thank you everybody for watching, and I'll see you next time.